video.
Yeah, it's probably wrong.
Alright guys, we're back.
And this is Cookup.
Okay, so here is our black eye cooking for about 10 minutes. So obviously we're making some Cookup rice. This black eye has to get soft before we put in the rice.
Yeah. You can show them the rest of the stuff. And here is some other stuff that we're putting in. So,
We're gonna put in some okra, some carrots, some spinach,
sweet peppers.
sweet peppers.
And here is the Cassareep Banga. We're seasoned. We're gonna fry that up just now. A few minutes more, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna let this guy cook for a few more minutes, then put in the rice.
Yep.
Okay.
That's what we'll be doing. Obviously, guys, there are 100 ways of making Cookup rice. So this is one way. Not our way. This is one way, right? You can make Cookup rice many different ways. So. By the way, please don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Vish and Nalini. It's a cooking channel we have on YouTube with a bunch of cooking videos, cooking all sorts of great, good-looking dishes. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna add our rice now. Give it a stir. We're gonna add some onions to the pot. Wee pepper, just one. Some scallions. And a little bit of garlic.
Oh, there's two habanero pepper you have there too, right?
Yeah. Let's not put it in now.
You want to put in the thyme? The Cookup seasoning, sazon,
Yeah, no,
coconut
no.
milk,
Let it cook.
red beans.
Let it cook a little bit more. It's okay.
Alright, start smelling good.
Give it a stir and let it just cook up a little bit more.
Let me see. Looks good. She smells pretty good.
No judging, guys.
Mm-hmm.
No judging. No judging, guys. This is our Cookup rice. Obviously, there are many ways to cook Cookup rice, so don't judge me, y'all. I do know how to cook.
Alright, we'll be back.
All right, so we're gonna add some carrots to the Cookup. And some sweet peppers, yellow pepper.
Not the bora.
We're gonna add some red peppers. Oh, if I can get this yellow pepper out. Okay, we're gonna add 2 big peppers, habanero, and some of orange pepper. All sweet peppers. I'm gonna give it a stir. It smells really good. And I'm gonna add some Cookup rice seasoning. Cookup rice seasoning. Okay.
Put in some more.
Okay.
Put more.
Okay. We're gonna add some thyme to the pot, because Cookup rice without thyme isn't Cookup rice to me. So some thyme, and we're gonna add some coconut milk. We grated our coconut, so this is the coconut milk from that. It's a little bit thick, so. I'm gonna give it a stir.
Freshly grated coconut.
We're gonna be adding some spinach and okra at the end so that those can be steamed. Add some more water. Because the rice have to cook and get soft. It's better to throw in less water than a lot of water. You can always add water, so give it a stir, let it cook. Certainly does. Okay, we're gonna add some red crushed pepper seeds. Just a little bit more. I'm gonna add some sazon to flavor it. And I'm gonna add some salt. We'll probably need more salt once we taste it. This is a nice vegetarian cook-up.
But we're gonna eat it with Cassareep Banga.
Yep.
Cassareep Banga.
All right, we'll add some okra and spinach to the pot. that this can steam. Oh, wait. Okay. Then we're gonna add some spinach. Okay, we're gonna give it a stir. I usually sometimes put in pumpkin in here as well, but not today.
We have a whole big pumpkin over there.
Yeah, just not today.
Butternut squash.
Right. We're also gonna add some red kidney beans. These are pre-cooked, so we'll just add them to the pot now. This is one healthy looking pot.
Smells good.
Yes, it certainly does. All right, we'll let that cook for a few more minutes. Let it cook down. Don't forget to go to or check out our YouTube channel, Cooking with Vish and Nalini. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Check out all of our cooking videos. We got some really good dishes over there. All right, we're gonna add some Cassareep to flavor and color this Cookup rice.
Get these with salt and stuff.
Okay, let's see. Maybe we'll need some more Cassareep. But let's see.
Cashew give it the color and the flavor.
Maybe we won't need any more. This is it.
Start looking good.
Yep, we don't need any more Cassareep.
And this is Cookup rice, Bengali style.
A vegetarian Cookup with no meat or fish in here.
Oh, we have the fish to the side.
But we're having some banga, Cassareep banga on the side. Yep. All right, so here's our Cookup. Almost finished. We just tasted it and it needs some more salt, so we're adding salt to taste. By the way, we like our Cookup a little watery, not dry Cookup at all, so hence the the little softer Cookup rice here. We don't like dry Cookup, so it's a little watery here. But this was done
Purposely.
on purpose, yeah, purposely.
No, tomorrow it's gonna taste better. It's gonna get a little dry tomorrow anyway.
It's gonna taste good now. What do you mean?
Yeah, it's gonna taste good now. The Cookup tastes better the next day.
Oh, that's true though. Any food tastes, most food tastes. Oh, a lot of food tastes good the next day. Leftovers are always tastier, it seems.
Yeah, it tastes amazing. And the okra actually cooked too. It did not burst up in there.
Melt up?
Melt up.
Melt it up? Okay. Alright, so here's our finished product. Again, we like ours a little softer, not too dry. So that's that. The red kidney beans are there. The black eye is there. Everything is cooked. Enough salt to our liking, to our taste.
Enough pepper. And here is the. This is the fry fish that we seasoned and we just finished frying. That's gonna go with a Cookup. And we're gonna go Cassareep. This fish here, Banga. Cassareep Banga. A link in the video will be for this video. For this Cassareep Banga.
Alright, that's it. Finished product. Please remember to, when you view this video, like it, share it. If you haven't subscribed to Cooking with Vish and Nalini yet on YouTube, please do so. Subscribe to our channel. Check out all of our cooking videos. I'm sure you're gonna get one or two ideas on how to make certain things, or check our style out, you know.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.